What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you and I are going to be drawing Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. Now the easiest place to start our drawing is in the center of a page with the top edge of the nose. So we'll start on the left side. Let's curve this up in the middle and then bend that down towards the right. Let's go back to the left side. Just going to round up the side of the nose, pull that in towards the middle. We're going to go all the way around towards the right side and then bend that in towards the top. Let's go to the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down in between the muzzle. Now I'm going to go to the left side of the nose, curve the muzzle, going out, come all the way around. I'm just going to pull that up in the middle towards the bottom of that line. Let's do the same thing on the right. Go all the way around, go out towards the side, round up the muzzle, and then tuck that in towards the right side of the nose. Now I'm going to tuck the jaw in underneath the muzzle. We're going to start on the left, bend this around, come in towards the middle, go up on the right, and then tuck that in. Now there's 3 dots on either side of the muzzle. So we're going to start at the very top. We're going to draw an oval, coming around and up, come down towards the side, draw another oval, we'll go in between and in, and draw one more. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. So I'll line up the top oval, the bottom, and then the center. And we'll fill each of those ovals in black. Now along the top, we want to tuck the eyes in behind the top of the muzzle and the nose. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a circle, going all the way around towards the top, come down, and then pull that in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's line up the right side, going up towards the same height, come around, and we'll just tuck that in. Let's add a thick trim around the outside of the eyes. We're going to start from the top left. Just going to taper this so it gets thicker as we come around towards the bottom, just on top of the muzzle, coming in towards the nose, and then blend that towards the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right, going all the way around, in, and then up, and then we'll fill the outside trim in black. Let's place the eyebrows on top of the eyes. We're going to start on the outside, bend this in, and then down, line this up on the right, going up and out. Let's round out the side of the eyebrows, bend this out and up towards the top. And then from the top, we're just going to bend this in and then down towards the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now going back to the nose, we're going to add a large highlight along the top center. So we're going to start on the left side of the nose, curve it around, almost like drawing a smaller oval, go up towards the right, and we're going to fill that bottom area in black. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw in the cheeks. From the outside left eye, let's step out, just going to curve the cheek, going out, come down, and just pull that in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's line this up on the right, going out, come around, and then in. Now I'm going to work our way up towards the top of the head. Starting from the left side, and go up, go around the eyebrow, come in across the middle. I'm just going to work our way across towards the right, come around the eyebrow, and then come straight down on top of the cheek. Now I want to add a scar on the top right side of the head. So we start with a curve, coming in and then down. Just going to taper this up higher in the middle, and then taper out towards a point. Let's add one more scar on top of the left brow, going up and in, and then back out. Let's place the hat on top of the head. We start over on the left, draw a straight line, line this up on the right. Now I'm going to connect the top of those lines with a curve to the top of the brim, going all the way across. From the top corners of the brim, we'll step in, curve the hat, going up and bending that out. Close out the top with another curve. Let's place the ears along the side of the head. We're going to leave a gap along the left side, draw a straight angle line, coming down and then out. Let's line up the top on the right, come down and out. Now going back up to the top, we're going to draw a half oval. We're going to go all the way around, get ear, come down, just tuck that in towards the bottom, and then do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to trace the ears along the inside. Start with that straight line, and tracing that curve going all the way around. Let's connect the ears to the head with two angled lines, starting on the left, one going down the bottom, one on top. And it'll come back down and tuck the bow tie underneath the chin. Leaving a gap in the center, let's draw two lines on the left and right. Close out the bottom with a curve. From the bottom corners of the knot, bend the tie, coming down and then out. And round up the side of the bow, going up underneath the chin. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'd love to see how your drawing turned out, so you can share with me on Instagram or by email. And if you enjoyed today's lesson, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.